I could do that in my Toyota Camry.
That's the dude with the wife and the kid.
Don't make me pull that shit out. Oh, hell no. Cut the traction off.
The kid.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Please give me space on my aliens. I see the hate through my Louis lens. Like hot sauce, we still shaking. Big boy diamonds, ice on me changing the climate. Black car, they never declining. I walked in, 30 hoes left behind.
Hey, what's good, YouTube? As y'all seen in the title, I am currently at the first car meet on this channel. Let me turn off my car. Oh yeah, y'all don't know it. Y'all don't know nothing about that. Hey, y'all gonna get a review later. I can't give y'all a sneak peek right now. But I'm at my first car meet on the tube, man. I'ma just show y'all around what we do. Y'all, it's pretty chill right now. I ain't get to record the first meet. The first spot got shut down. Cops already came. We're currently at the second spot. I'm gonna show y'all just a little overview. Oh, it's currently getting a little deeper, as y'all can see. Filling them up a little bit. How the car meets used to be.
Well, where your brother?
Hey, when it gets so deep, hey, you can't even park. Some purple Genesis. Oh my gosh.
They look clean.
Dang.
Nigga like they ain't the lights too.
Whoa.
I thought that was Apple. Shout out Tree TV 2 times.
You already know the vibes, y'all. Y'all already know the vibes. We just at the meet right now, chilling, man. Everybody going to the next location. This location didn't really have no spot to like do burnouts and all that, you know, donuts and shit. We're about to head to the next one, y'all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm gonna give y'all the review later. That coming next. Coming soon, coming soon. We're finna go ahead and head to this next location. Finna put the address in and then we'll be there. What's good? We just touched down at the gas station. Got this nice Jenny next to me. Deshaun, he got you. He got you. Woo! Clean little Genesis next to me. And he got Deshaun. He got Deshaun. Finna hit this gas station up real quick. She got no choice but to choose. Sailing around my shoes. She say my demeanor rude. Police came before I even got here, man. Police came before I even got here, man. Shit crazy, man.
Where you at right now?
I'm leaving out.
You here?
Yes, bruh. The car, I thought he pulled me over, to be honest, cause he got right behind me and I pulled over. He just stopped. Yes, sir. This the action right here, y'all. Hey, my bro, take that Draco and go violent. Yes, sir. This that action right here, y'all. Let me go get to the action. Get back from that one. You missed that in the middle? For sure. He didn't want to hit nobody. Litty 3 titty out here, you know the vibes. What did he do? I don't know. As y'all can see, it done finally got, you know, bumped up how I expected. Tell them boys what we do. I'm playing, I don't do nothing to my G. My G is a show car. They be doing that shit. Somebody had a newborn here. They keep screaming out here. Ain't gonna be like this. Who granddad is this? What happened?
They go.
Yo, who granddad is that?
I could do that in my Toyota Camry.
That's the dude with the wife and the kid.
Don't make me pull that shit out.
That's me.
I don't know. Cut the traction off.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Somebody come. Yeah, hold on. Gotta get that.
Where's it at?
Fuck that apart. Fuck that shit. Hurt. I forgot where I parked. Fuck did I park? Shit. There you go, my baby. Run back to the bank.
50 thugs and I can't plan it. Yeah, we not them.
Hey, that was a little run, little quick little car meet. That'll probably be the rest of the video. It's your boy Tree TV. Can't forget the 2 times and I'm out.
You told throwaways like Manning. If I want you dead, I pay 10. You tell them no, they bisexual. You give them some, they straight then.